Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Bunny Winter Holiday Stamp Set. This is a 4x6 stamp set and it's a 12-piece set. You get 5 images and 7 sentiments. The images measure anywhere from 1.5 inches wide to 3.5 inches wide. And they measure anywhere from 1 3/8 inches tall to 2 inches tall. I'm going to stamp the set out so you can see what it looks like when it's stamped. As you can see, it stamps out really nice and these images are just so adorable. Here's a card I made using the Bunny Winter Holiday stamp set, and I paired it up with the Sentiment Assortment Merry Christmas stamp set. And I used the Slimline SurReally Cool Christmas Pattern Paper Pack. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release, and don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.